We just don't do it at this celebration. We do it at every celebration. Every weekend, we honor our veterans. If you're more than welcome, you're more than welcome to come on out and dance out with the veterans here if you like. Well, again, thank you to our head man and head lady dancer. Ahoo. thank you, singers. And again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give our veterans a big round of applause. Chimigwich again for being here with us. We say Chimigwich Ahu. Oh, we're going to pass the microphone on over to Ken here real swiftly. Our head veteran here this weekend, Mr. Ken Funmaker. We got this, and then we have the blanket honoring, and then announce our winners, and then our giveaway. There are no more ties. Everybody is free. Free at last. All right, Ken.
Hey, this guy, Carnegie, we know. Michael, Ken Funmaker Jr. ga hingay day. Wang sik lazana. Uns katega hingay day. Hunchaki karatwa nangshana. Nis aja hachi. Yeah, I just like to express my deep gratitude for inviting me into your land this weekend. It was pretty awesome. I don't know who turned the heat up, but they should be fired. No, but anyway, I'd like to just thank whoever was involved and asked me to be here this weekend. You know, I had a good time. It'd be my family, and we had a good time dancing here. And I just wanted to show my gratitude, and I want to call up the Ogichida from here, Mount Pleasant. I want to give them a small donation. Yeah, that's for you guys. That's for whatever. Yeah, that's for. He said he's going to double it. He said. Yeah, he kind of said that under his breath. So, but anyway, thanks a lot, and from the bottom of my heart, Sige Honey Chukche. Oh.
Right on. Aho, Ken, you are now free. Hey. Free play. All right, singers, come on over. Send your best five. $2,500 on the line. Second place is $1,500. Third place is $1,000. So what you're going to do is you're going to line up. All right, the first round, you're going to line up. So what's the single file line right here? So this is what it's like being down here. This is how you guys look. I'm with the peasants right now. I am a king bird. Not too close. You guys are sitting close all together all weekend. Knock it off. You guys knock it off. Should be 6 teams, single file line. Here's what's going to happen. The first round, if you don't believe me, this is Wayne's drawing even. Single file line, 5 guys. The first part here is you're going to wheelbarrow train. So what's going to happen, the first guy, you're on your hands and knees. Or what then? Just kidding. Second guy, you're going to push. You're going to pick him up. All right? They're going to show you right here. Wayne and Mike will show you. Come on. They don't. You guys don't know what you're doing, right? They got to show you, right? Yeah, they got to show you. Yeah.
Doing. Yeah, they know.
Yeah,
Oh, there's the horn.
I tried. So the first guy is getting, second guy. And then the third guy, you're like the first guy. The fourth guy, you're pushing, holding. Fifth guy, you're just hanging on, directing them, all of that. All right? So that's what's you're going to go all the way to that table. All right, here you go. Here we go now. Here, it's like this. Here. Like this. This is what you're going to do. Now, look. Now, then the third guy is the same way what Wayne is. Third guy will be going down too.
If you fall, you start all over again.
No, you don't start over. Just kidding. They're like, what? But if you fall, you got to can't walk or run to the line, you just got to start all over right where you're at. Can't crawl ahead. So if you fall, you can't crawl ahead or anything like that.
They'll set up here and then we'll say go. So they'll already be set up.
Yeah, are you guys ready? And then when we get done with the first table, then you guys remember the rockets? Where's Wayne at again? Oh, he's getting the food. Mike, are you going to show him the rocket? The Rockettes. Okay, hey. After the first table, you guys got to do this. Oh, you got to go like this. Yeah, like that. All the way. Right after you're done with the... Yeah, you got to be like this, in line like this. All the way, side to side, side to side. Okay? That's after the first table. When you get to this table... All right, well, I'm also tell you right now, he's got a heck of a lot of hot dogs over there.
That was only one person's idea of the hot dogs.
When you get there, this is, okay, listen up. This is where every table, the first one is the hot dogs. The last person, or the first person, has to go grab a hot dog.
It's hot dog, not hot dog.
Hot.
Are they cooked?
And I don't want you guys showing off either just because it's wieners. We want you to chew. So, they want me to explain this. The first guy will grab a hot dog, go back to the end guy, and feed it to him.
Yes. Thank God. Yes.
And then you're just going to go all the way until you're done. As soon as the first guy feeds it to the last guy, we'll say next guy. The next guy will grab a hot dog, go in the back and feed, go in the back. So, but you can't use your hands when you're feeding them. You got to put the hot dog in your mouth and feed them. No, I'm just kidding. So that's going to be the same way even when you get to the second table. Same thing. First guy, feed the last guy. You can go, keep going, keep going. Okay? And then after the table 2, you guys are going to leapfrog, just like you guys are right now. Everything you're doing is going to be in line the way you are right now. Everything you do is just right in line. Except when you do the Rocketeer, you're going to go sideways all the way. Okay? So when you do that, you're going to do the leapfrog. All right? You're going to do that after table 2. And then when you get to table 3, it's up to whoever's eating. There's going to be a cream pie. No hands. The first guy in line, if he can eat it up, that's all on him. If he can't, then we'll make a substitution. The other guy will finish it off. All right? So it's up to you guys when you get to the third table. And then you have to do the worm. All you guys got to do the worm from that table to the finish line. Sound good? Does that make sense to you?
Makes sense. I want to see the worm part after you guys eat all those wieners. Jeez.
All right. Do we have music for this? Sound guy?
Oh, looked like somebody substituted a big fella when I said wieners there.
So now we got, okay, here we go now. You guys set? Get set. Here we go. Oh, wait, what?
Wait.
Hold on. Wayne said, wait.
Still setting up.
Oh, you're still setting up. Come on, Mike. Gabe, do something.
Is that H-U-T? Hot dog.
Hot dogs. Get your hot dogs. Get your hot dogs. Do we have music? Sound guy? Somebody help out Wayne. He's almost 55 now. He needs help. So, do I need to explain it again? And you guys. All right, for Nago, here we go. I even forgot. It's a lot of writing Wayne did. All right, yep. First guy on the hands, third guy's on the hands, fourth guy's pushed in, fifth guy, you're just holding the shoulders, guiding them. Okay? Again, when you get to the first table, first guy's gonna grab a hot dog, go in the back and feed him. We are the judges here, me and my bro Ant and Gabe and Mike. we're going to give you the high sign when you're done with the hot dog. We'll say, go, next person go. Okay? So you got to open your mouth and show us you swallowed it. And then, you do the Rocketeer, or was it Rockettes? The Rockettes all the way over there. So that's a sideline like me and Mike just showed you there, sideline, kicking it all the way to the second table. You get to the second table, there's going to be apples. Again, you have to, with the apples all the way to the core? Dang, all the way to the core. We're going to be here a while. So that's the same thing. Every line, then you get to the second line, first guy, grab the apple, feed the last guy. Then I'll let you know to go again. And then you have to leapfrog, just what you guys are doing right there, just in your line. Everything is in the line. Just remember that. Everything is in the line, they said. Leapfrog to the third table. First guy, if you can eat up the pie. Yeah, for the first table to the second table, you're lining up and doing the Rocketeer, kicking like that all the way down, sideways.
Anybody want to place any side bets?
Oh, we got to be in
Wagers on
time.
the drums.
Calcutta.
All you campers might want to come check this out. This is what us drummers do for fun. Singers.
Yeah, do we have any donations from our vendors? You want to pitch in maybe a fourth place or add it on to 2,500? Any of our vendors, come help us out. Throw a 20, throw a something.
Fry bread.
Throw a fry bread.
Lemonade.
Hey, we got one lemonade anyway.
Yeah,
we got one lemonade.
MC's still waiting on donations.
Maybe tell these guys like these guys that's never traveled the drum, like how we travel. Like everybody does everything together. Share.
Share. Share. So this is what we do, ladies and gentlemen. As singers, you know, we travel extensively throughout all summer long, all year long. There might be 4 in one car. There might be 5 in one car. There's always that best lead guy who never has money, never has a ride, but damn, he can sing. And we give him a rides. But this is what we do. This is what we do. We share everything. All right? We share everything as we go as the singers. Like right now, if I was the lead singer, Mike, I would have sent 5 out, and I say, I'm still getting a cut.
I don't have that problem. Must be nice to have that problem. Everything in single file. It's been doing that all weekend.
Is what?
I still want to know how come I didn't get the memo.
Right? I didn't, yeah, look at, all these guys got design shirts. Like, I got one design. I just don't have a, golf shirt.
Yeah, I got a golf shirt, but I bought it at the attic. Like one of those Jesus stores in the mall.
Goodwill action, huh?
Yeah, it was cool.
Right on.
$3.
Who's got who now? Like who's teams?
Oh, who do you guys got? We just go down the line here?
Say what drum group they
Which one do you got?
Get them to say their name.
I got Meskwaki. You got over here? Who do you got?
Oh, who's these guys right here? Woodland Stream. Oh.
All right, let's go, man. I got you guys, man.
All right,
Come
here we
on.
go. Don't let me down. Don't let me down.
So you guys got to listen to us when you say you're done eating and all that. You listen to whoever's guiding you here, all right? All right, here we go. Your audience, are you ready? Let me hear you.
Cheer your group on. Here we go.
Cheer them on. 3, 2, And I think Meskwaki was second.
Yeah.
Meskwaki was second. Who had third? Right here?
Yeah, hell yeah. Oh, it don't matter. We're good. We're good. Good job, fellas. Good job.
All right, Scuffletown is your third place winners.
Hello, man.
Meskwaki Nation is your second. And first place is
The hats.
Woodland.
Woodland Stream.
Woodland Stream is your champions. $2,500.
Oh. Good job, fellas. Yeah.
Send a representative up to the pay window. The things
do it.
we
I was
do
their
when we're
coach.
broke.
Hey. All except for him, I was their coach.
I get a cut, Meskwaki.
Good
Yeah,
job,
ladies and
Woodland
gentlemen, the
Stream
things we
boy
do when
was
we're
getting
broke.
it.
The things we do when we're broke. As singers, we'll do anything.
That's why I'm MC.
Graduated from a singer to
He
MC.
graduated just a week ago.
All right, singer, send a representative. That was cool, awesome. There's water up here, by the way.
Man, that was wicked.
Any other people want leftover hot dogs? It's over on that table. There's leftover pie.
That was either a little kid came up and grabbed the hot dog. He thought it was free.
I couldn't believe they're all throwing up on the hot dogs.
Must be pork.
Woodland Stream, come on up. Woodland. Scuffletown, and then Meskwaki's got their rep up here. Up, come on, send a rep. Just need a rep.
We're doing good. Right up there, man. Good job.
I'm gonna say that guy with.
I wonder if you have to have mouth closed trying to push it.
Yeah, that was for $2,500 first place, $1,500 for second, $1,000 for third. Just think, ladies and gentlemen, all these singers right here, they have no place to shower or anything. They're all gonna leave just like that. Ish. All right, what are we doing next? All right, Powwow Committee, come on up. We're going to go to that honoring, the blanket gifting. Powwow Committee, come on up. Holstrom, stand by, Holstrom. So Powwow Committee, come on up. Go there and see Wayne. We need garbage bags. Security. If you have any garbage bags up here, can you bring some up? We just need to pick up the food here. So in the meantime, we got garbage bags over there. Do you have any kids out there that want to earn $5? Hey. You got garbage bags. You down? All right. Wayne, this kid's down for $5. Wayne. Right here, Becca. This kid here wants $5. There you go. $5 if you have a trash bag. There it is. Just go pick up the hot dogs and everything on the tables. All right, I think we got enough. I don't have that many fives, dude. You might as well do the bleachers and the Powwow Committee. I'll give you guys $5. Right? I had 3, and then next thing you know, there's 10 bags going out. All right, at this time, we cleared the arena except our garbage people. At this time, the Powwow Committee, they would like to honor this gentleman here. At this time, this gentleman here has been very supportive to the committee here, Saginaw Chippewa Committee and community. When he's asked to do anything, he's always happy to say yes. He's never turned them down, and he's always honored to come here. And the Powwow Committee would like to honor and call up Harvey Drever at this time. Harvey Drever is the lead singer for Whitefish Juniors. And you heard my brother Ant here talk about how he still listens to him to this day when he has the hand drum, the round dances that go on, a lot of round dances in the winter time. They call upon this gentleman and he never refuses. And the Powwow committee here, they want to honor him at this time for always being here for the Powwow committee and the community. So Harvey Drever, this is a honoring here. They're gonna give you a blanket here, and they're also gonna give you an honor song after this. There you go, Harvey. Let's give Harvey another big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. He's a well-known singer, and he loves to travel and do the powwow and round dances. He's a keeper of his language, ceremonies, and the Powwow committee and the community just want to honor Harvey Drever at this time. This is pretty awesome blanket they're giving him here. And then at this time, Harvey, they want to give you an honor song also, so stand by. The Powwow committee can come on up. Come on out, Powwow committee and Harvey. They want to give you an honor song also, Mr. Drever. It's a good honoring that is happening right now, ladies and gentlemen. We have all the family. We don't want nobody going in front of him. So we're just asking if the family and friends just come on out and dance with him behind him. All right, he's got his family here. So all of our kids here, can you clear the arena here? So all the family, just come on behind Harvey Drever and his family here. Again, we don't want to shake hands. We don't want nobody going in front of him. And as soon as that family gets here, we're going to have that honoring song for Harvey Drever. I believe we're good to go. Under the pines, if you would. Honor song for Mr. Drever. Little guy in the red. Oh, thank you there, singers. And again, let's give Harvey Drever a big round of applause as the Powwow Committee honors him here. Again, like I said, he's a well-known singer throughout our powwows and round dances. So the Powwow Committee, they wanted to extend their gratitude, Mr. Drever, and we say thank you. Now we're going to announce some winners. So stand by. Alrighty then.
Check, check, check. Ah, mic works. Yep.
No, they're all closing, babe.
Where's our chairs Wayne promised us? That's where we're going. Okay then. Does anybody have a ice cold? Yeah, I better not say it. Water?
Lemonade.
Hey, there you
Mountain
are.
Dew.
All right. This is where we're announcing winners, I believe.
We are here. It is time.
Come, be careful coming up the stairs.
There are some stairs here, so be careful when your name is being drawn.
I don't have my phone to record, so.
I don't have my phone to record either. Yeah, thank you. All right, you get that one.
Hey, Propel. Yeah, they've been holding out on the good stuff there. Hey. Yeah, that's awesome. Well, I kind of like the life of an MC there, you know?
It has its perks.
Except for at home where
Harvey,
I'm from.
Harvey, are we going to singing contest first? Yeah. All right, that's what I like to hear. Singers get a head start. Not traveling. Hey, you know what I'm talking about. Chaw. But Harvey, our head singing judge here, we would like to thank all of his judges for helping him out this weekend. So he wants to say chimigwits to all the judges, and he also wants to give a big shout out, a big thank you to all the drums who came here this weekend. So let's give our singers another big round of applause here as we go to our drum winners. What's the... All right, here we go. Your fifth place winner with 1,275,000 points. Just kidding. Fifth place goes to Woodland Stream. Woodland Stream, come on over. Fifth place winners. Come on over. I need one singer to sign his life away. That was always me, man. Come tax time, man. But I had a good tax guy. All right, fourth place goes to Ribbon Town. Ribbon Town, fourth place. Come on over. You come over here and sign your lead singer. Oh, there comes Ribbon Town. Third place goes to Scuffle Town Society. Ahoo. Ahoo, ahoo, ahoo. Right on. Come on over, Scuffletown. Ahoo. Just need that one signer. Come on through. Ahoo. Congratulations. Ahoo. Second place goes to Cinnamon Bear. Second place. Come a running. Come a walking with the strut. Oh, ick. Ahoo. Good one, boys. Ahoo. Ahoo, ahoo. We need a sign here. Ahoo. Good one, boys. Ahoo. And your champions for 2026 goes to Wild Band of Comanche. Hey! Meskwaki Nation, your champions. Ahoo.
Appreciate it, man.
Oh, good one. Here you go, sir. Start us off. Always traditional. If you think you won, stay close to the arena there. Stay close to the arena. We're going to start off with our junior boys traditional there. Good singing, good singing. Wow, the pleasure to sit next to these guys there. Pretty eye. Oh, it was wicked. Good one, boys, good one. Yeah. Junior boys traditional be standing by here. We're going to go on into the winners list here.
Battle River will take it now.
Yep, there you go. Good to go. Ahoo. Right on. Yeah. Oh, good on.
Okay.
See you, bro. Oh, yeah. Good on. Junior boys traditional. We're going to start off in fourth place. In fourth place, junior boys traditional. Dancer number 1271, Mackay Dwyer. In third place, dancer number 1272, Hollis Perez. In second place, dancer number 1274, David Pitawanakwat. Oh, I'm going to tear some names up, so. And your champion, dancer number 1270, Israel Shananakwit. Shanakwit, there he is. Shananakwit. He didn't even tell me the right name. Oh, we're both going to get in trouble there. Oh. What is this one? Start off with 4 then, huh? Yeah, all the way down? Start with 4 then, huh? All right, heading on over to Junior Boys Grass there in fourth place. Goes to 1587 August Grant. August Grant, here your fourth place winner. In third place, dancer number 1586, Kane Patterson. Second place, dancer number 1590, Jonas Miller. And your first place champion, dancer number 1588, Nagani Star, your champion. Come on running. Bring your parents with you. Or your uncle. or your auntie.
You need it for teens too? Yeah, gotta do it all.
Juniors and teens, bring your parents with you when we call them up here. Juniors and teens.
Right on.
No.
These two,
Moving on down the line, the junior boys fancy. In fourth place, dancer number 1897, Keaton Kingbird. Then in third place, dancer number 1896, Diami White Eye. In second place, dancer number 1898, Albert King III. And your champion, dancer number 1901, Lawrence Shock, your champion. Moving on down the line to junior girls traditional. Let me know if I need to slow down or, okay, we'll slow it down a little bit there. Waiting on the champions to come up. Yeah, that's a lot of money. Yeah, I could download that to a Google card and get some video games. Yeah.
yeah, make sure the parents come.
Make sure you bring your parents, please. There you go, good job. Junior girls traditional, be standing by. Man, that's awesome. There's a bunch of gifts over there. Don't leave the smokes alone. If you're from where I'm from in Oklahoma, we got 5-year-olds. They smoke. Ceremonial kids, boy, they start smoking at 5 years old. That's why Comanches are short. Stunt your growth. Yeah, we've been smoking since we were 5. Oh, Brother Gabe said Canadians. Huh? He's just saying that because he's 6 foot for nothing. Heard he couldn't even play. Brother, you play ball? No, man, I never could play basketball, man. But I could fight. Hey.
Gabe can't play no ball. Yeah. Every time I played against him, I just played left hand. Made it a lot easier.
Oh my God.
Social Security numbers.
Okay, hold up on that. What?
I can't remember Social Security number. It's really bad, Mom. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, yours.
Just take the blow for it.
Thanks, friends.
Yeah, when I win, I always put my brother's social security number down. I memorized it a long time ago. So every year he gets hit with taxes, he don't even know where it came from. That's me.
Doing grass right now. First place. Right on, right on. Oh, slick. What are you? Grass?
Yeah, these young champion dancers already champing out at a young age. Like father, like son there, huh? Hey, ha, ha. Yeah. Right on there, young man. Heck yeah. That's the way. You know, when I was growing up and I placed when I was dancing, I never seen the money. and always went to my mom, dad, or somebody. Yeah, it was always, had to pitch in. So I was always wondering how I was broke. While I was 5 years old, I had to give my tiny tot money for the electric bill or something.
Gas money.
Gas money. Couldn't even buy snacks. Make sure you get a gift on the way out. I believe the committee is telling y'all that, but make sure to grab the gift, but leave the smokes. Oh, getting a gift here. Boy, you guys look like an old traditional giveaway there, dragging that buffalo hide around the camp. Ah, there it is. Huggies. Do we have Huggies? I think I was the only kid that had diaper rash around my ankles. Holy. Oh, we got a Vikings fan. Oh, that's the way. Yeah. Got to get mom. We got Ronaldo up here. Got to go get mom there. We're going to move on down the line here to Junior Girls Traditional. In fourth place, Junior Girls Traditional, listen up, fourth place, dancer number 1298, Aaliyah Velez. In third place, dancer number 1297, Autumn Aviles. In second place, dancer number 1301, Camille Nordwall. And your champion here, dancer number 1300, Cedar Gibbs. Your champion, Junior Girls Traditional. Oh, come a running, bring your parents, bring your parents. I know the kids heard me, but the parents probably didn't. Oh, I'm not signing, we're not paying taxes. Don't worry, probably not enough. Gonna move on down the line here. Moving on to Junior Girls Jingle. Junior Girls Jingle. Junior Girls Jingle, listen up, in fourth place, dancer number 1612, Joy Jimenez. In third place, dancer number 1613, Yaska Taylor. In second place, dancer number 1616, Nyla Pywasit. And your champion, dancer number 1619, Hazel Hale, your champion. Come a running. Bring your parents, make sure. Boy, it's awesome when you got a cheering section when you win, yeah. Well, I don't have that. When I win, it's crickets. Nobody cheers for me. No horns honking or anything. Man, that's all right. Make sure you grab a gift there. There's some Huggies there. Yeah, you might have a brother, sister, aunt, uncle getting ready. Might want to invite you to a baby shower. You can take that on over there. Well, there's some hoodies there too. Oh, man. Junior girls, fancy be standing by.
Right on.
Man, it's still daylight here. We're calling winners. You still got plenty of time to stop at a buffet or pick up a bite to eat, hang out, check out the casino another night. Man, there's all kind of stuff to do. I believe I got a card for 50 wings. That's where I'm going. Man, I can probably only eat about 4, but I'm going to try. Oh, yeah, congratulations there. Yeah. Yeah, congratulations. Oh, yeah, good one. Boy, I'm kind of stoked for this weekend, man. I got to sit on the head staff with some awesome dancers and singers, champions in my books, man. Grew up since a little guy, known some of these fellas for many years. Watch them sing, watch them dance, get to know them over the years, man. We had some good times and gooder times and better and bestest. And don't even know if those are words, but that's how you would describe it. It was wicked. Moving on. Junior girls fancy. Junior girls fancy in fourth place, number 1926, Jocelyn Gervais. 1926. In third place, dancer number 1924, Wasco Nines Recollet. In second place, dancer number 1925, Ileana Raphael. And your champion, dancer number 1923, Jocelyn Showman, your champion. Come a running. Ah, yep, good one there.
And grab the gift.
Make sure all you winners grab a gift here. We're moving on to Teen Boys Traditional. Teen Boys Traditional. In fourth place goes to dancer number 1219, Brycey Gibbs. In third place, dancer number 1221, Jesse Bear. In second place, dancer number 1224, Anthony Manassi Jr. And your champion, dancer number 1225, Dazer Pete the Wannaquat, your champion. Oh, yeah, good one.
We're at second. They shake their hand. Shake their hand.
Right on, right. Congratulations to all the young champions here. Man, that is awesome, boy, to watch the juniors and the teens battle it out, dance, have a good time there. No. Oh. Congratulations again. Moving on over to Teen Boys Grass. Teen Boys Grass. Teen Boys Grass. Listen up, in fourth place, dancer number 1534, Braden Locklear. In third place, dancer number 1536. All we have is a first name, Aspen, or it's the last name. If your number was 1536, you are the third place winner. Teen Boys Grass. In second place, dancer number 1535, Jarvis Bear Jr. And your champion in Teen Boys Grass, dancer number 1533, Adrian Day, your champion. I think teens need their parents. Teens have to bring parents. Or if you know you're social, if you know you're social, you're good. If not, you'll need your parents. And if your parents are bad parents like me, I don't know my kids' socials. I don't even know my own. That's why I use my brothers. Right here, team boys. Junior girls, Fancy Shaw. Junior girls, Fancy Jocelyn Gervais. 1926. We're waiting on you here. 1926. Junior girls, Fancy. Believe we got teen boys traditional here, waiting here.
Got your social? You know it. We're gonna have to get mom. I don't know. I don't have it. You gotta get her.
Bonnie, Tomasa, Manasseh. I don't know our son's social. You have to come up here, bring some identification. Yeah, I don't have it. I don't even think I got it on my phone.
I just write anything.
Yeah. Oh, that's. I'll give you your uncle's social. Hey. Yeah, right on, right on. Good dancing there. Yeah. Get your gift there. Get your gift. Moving on down the line. I think we got it here. We're good to go here. We done did Teen Boys Grass. Teen Boys Fancy in third place. Dancer number 1900, Eric Lehman. Dancer number, second place, dancer number 1899, Juan Marshall. And in Teen Boys Fancy, your champion, dancer number 1844, Dennis Wada, your champion. Oh, yeah, come a running there, son. Man, I didn't even know you was here. Oh, man. Oh, I didn't even know my sonny boy was here, man. Holy. Yeah. He got all his moves from his mom and his sisters, man, because his dad can't move like that. Hey, yeah, good one. I believe we'll hold up here for a minute. Congratulations to all the young fellas here. Just half. Hey. For future reference, it's good to memorize your dad or your brother's social security. Hey. Yeah, good dancing there, young man. Good one, man. Yeah, I was jamming. I enjoyed watching you guys all weekend. That was Hoss.
He got fucking 2 weeks, right? He's in grand different. Yeah, he's in different category.
They're flipping
He probably just didn't show up.
You gotta slow down.
Oh, yeah, dress. Yeah, it's traditional. Ashton isn't here, though, so he's going to have someone pick it up.
All right. Oh.
Did he get his?
You don't know.
Jesse Bear.
Jesse Bear. He's in line there. Oh. First place, Team Boys Grass. Adrian Day. Oh, good one now. Good one. Yeah.
Write your name.
Run! Run!
Yeah. Right on, man. Grab a gift, grab a gift. Right on. Grab a gift. Put yours on.
Okay. I got it. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, go down the line. Shake hands all the way down. Yeah.
Good.
Good? Yeah. Moving on down the line. All right, moving on. Teen Girls Traditional here. Teen Girls Traditional, listen up in fourth place. Dancer number 1251, Marley Halsup. In third place, dancer number 1247, Miss Coleman Weesaw. Your second place winner, Teen Girls Traditional, dancer number 1245, Kia Taylor. And your champion in Teen Girls Traditional, dancer number 1246, Nanea Jack, your champion. See you. I didn't know you was here. Yeah, I thought that was you out there dancing. Oh, that kind of looks like him, but.
Right on. Good job.
Good on. go. All right, moving on to Teen Girls Jingle here. Teen Girls Jingle, listen up here. Your fourth place winner, dancer number 1559, Faye Wimigwans. Faye Wimigwans. And your third place winner, dancer number 1560, Catherine Avales or Viles. I'm not sure how I'm saying that. Maybe you can tell me when you come up here, eh? Your second place winner, dancer number 1562, Nige Wimigwans. And your champion in Teen Girls Jingle, dancer number 1564, Kashina Jack, your champion. Yeah, all right.
Right on.
Oh, sorry.
All right, moving down the line here. Teen Girls Fancy, listen up. Teen Girls Fancy. In fourth place, dancer number 1878, Kalea Sword. In third place, dancer number 1876, July Hunter. Your second place winner, dancer number 1874, Kai Se Drever. And your champion, dancer number 1871, Haley Pennanetz, your champion. How do you pronounce that? Abiles.
Yeah, you got it.
All right, yeah, I was wondering. Oh, man. Yeah, oh, no. I'm no linguist. Which one is it? Niche? Okay. All right. So we'll know next time. Who's going to win again? Ooh, I need. Set my first name down. Oh, man. Right, yeah. Good to go? All right. Oh. Nancy. And the platinum? All right, moving on to our next category here. Platinum men's combined. Here we go, fourth place. Dancer number 1003, Greg Morsaw. In third place, dancer number 1000, Mike King. And your second place winner, dancer number 1013, Reg Pettibone. And your champion, dancer number 1006, Albert King Sr., your champion. Come around there. Oh, wow. here first name? What's that? Oh, okay. I know. I know. I think I put an I in there. Yeah. I. Good job. Go.
Just pocketed it. Teen Boys Grass. You left your envelope. It was sitting on bleachers over there. Third place, Teen Boys Grass. I have it. I'm gonna have it. Gonna cost you. Congrats.
Congratulations. Moving on to Platinum Women's Combined. Platinum Women's Combined in fourth place. Dancer number 1028, Catherine Raphael. In third place, dancer number 1034, Edwina Tortolita. In second place, dancer number 1030, Lorraine Shananaquat. And your champion, Platinum Women's Combined, dancer number 1029, Lady Bird Jack, your champion.
And has 2 cameras. Can you announce on the PA that there's a missing phone? It's black and has a blue case.
We're looking for a missing phone here. It's black, has a what? Has a blue case. 2 cameras on it. Yeah. It has a cracked back on it. So if you see that phone, please turn it in. Might want to check with the committee, lost and found. Right there. That's. Yeah, we'll believe that. We could have split it. Could have went to the MC Fund. We've been trying to get MC Fund together all weekend. We couldn't do it, so maybe next time, somewhere down the line there.
Very good evening. Evenings.
Awesome.
Right on, brother, right on.
Hey. Moving on down the line to Golden Age Men's Traditional. Golden Age Men's Traditional in third place, dancer number 1055, Jefferson Baloo. And your second place winner, dancer number 1001, Jeff Keeble. And your champion, dancer number 1054, Johnson. That's all they got on here. But I believe, congrats. Dancer 1054, Golden Age Men's Traditional. I believe that's Mr. Johnson Taylor. Oh. There he is. Hey, John. Yeah, right over here, brother, right over here. Turn around this way. Look at right here. Oh, yeah. There he is. Yeah, they didn't put no name on it. I said, hey, I think I know that guy. Oh, hey.
Get ready for the winter.
Yeah. Moving on to Golden Age Men's Combined here. Golden Age Men's Combined. Your fourth place winner, that's a number 1377, Gary Gibson. Your third place winner, number 1376, Russ Blackbird. Your second place winner, dancer number 1433, Kevin Kingbird. And your champion, dancer number 1009, Walker Stonefish. Hey, my bud there, boy. I always see him in the casino everywhere I go, man. Yeah. Good to see him there. Yeah, the friend there, Walker Stonefish. Yeah. We up here, Michigan. Moving on to Golden Age Women's Traditional, huh? Yeah, Golden Age Women's Traditional. Oh, right on, Collie, right on, boy. Hey. Golden Age Women's Traditional. Listen up here in fourth place. We just have a name. Dancer number 1082, Teresa. If you're dancer number 1082 and you're Teresa, come a running here. In third place, dancer number 1083, Stephanie Antone. And your second place winner, dancer number 1087, Lisa Passanal. And your champion here, dancer number 1085, Anne Marie Prue White, your champion. Make sure to grab a gift when you go by. Oh, wow, that is nice. Well, that's a nice purse there. That's keen, man. Holy. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm not going to say nothing, but make sure to get a gift now. Make sure to grab one of those gifts, man. Holy, those are some pretty good gifts. Oh, the good ones. Hey, yeah, the ultimate comeback there. Oh, yeah.
What's the hockey team in Minnesota?
Wild. Yeah, Minnesota Wild. Yeah. Yeah, I can't wait for hockey season to roll around again, man. Oh. You figure somebody like myself lives in Oklahoma, could see him, huh? Don't know nothing about hockey, but I do. I watch more hockey than anybody else in Oklahoma. Golden Age Women Combined, I believe we're ready to go here. We just have a name and a number here. In fourth place, dancer number 1032, Dawn. Dawn. We can give you a last name if you like. We can give you one, yeah. In third place, dancer number 1714, Donna Penance. In second place, dancer number 1031, Joyce Petisky. And your champion in Golden Age Women's Combined, dancer number 1033, Dolly Puke, and your champion. Moving on to senior adult men's traditional. Your fourth place winner, dancer number 1111, Wesley Hale. Your third place winner, dancer number 1112, Cruz Perez. Your second place winner, dancer number 1109, Little Man Quintero. And your champion in the senior men's traditional, dancer number 1108, Brando Jack, your champion. Oh, come on, run in there, brother. Right on, man. Ooh.
No chance.
I believe we're good to go. Move down the line there, brother. Move down the line. Senior adult men's grass. Listen up. Your fourth place winner, dancer number 1430, Thorin Warner. In third place, dancer number 1429, Daryl Bolton. In second place, dancer number 1431, Lee Jack Jr. And your champion, dancer number 1432, Adam Sosi Nordwall. Your champion. Oh.
Oh, they forgot to add those together. Oh, yeah. Right on, bro. Right on.
Right on. Little man has great penmanship.
Oh, boy, that looked like a doctor's signature there, eh? Oh. Everybody else just got that chicken scratch like my brother here, Brando. He just makes a B and a line, man. That's it. Yeah. Good job, brother. Oh, good to see you. Hey. All right, moving on to senior adult men's fancy. In third place, dancer number 1740, William. Don't have a last name, but we will give you one. Hey, for a small fee. In second place, dancer number 1741, Wesley Cleveland Sr. And your champion, dancer number 1742, Nigel Schuyler, your champion. Man, I think that's keen when you come up here and you win some money there, and then you even get to go down and get a gift too. I hope, brother. Moving on to senior adult women's traditional there. Your fourth place winner, dancer number 1137, Judy Robinson. Your third place winner, dancer number 1140, Brenda Wabanimki. Your second place winner, dancer number 1136, Wase Pawasit. And your champion in the senior adult women's traditional, dancer number 1139, Alexa Ray Day, your champion. They wrote this guy's down the name the first day. They wrote it down, they spelled it out wrong. I was looking at it and I was like, Nigel, Schuler? Schuler, I said, who's that? Never heard of it. Maybe he's from up here somewhere, you know? I was like, Schuler? I don't know. I know a Nigel Schuyler, but I don't know a Schuler. They spelled it wrong on there. They gave me that paper. Bro, man. Oh, good one. Oh. Then I seen him come out. I was like, that's Scottish. Shit, that's not it. New name, yeah.
Stan? Yeah.
Moving on to senior adult women's jingle. Senior adult women's jingle there in fourth place. Dancer number 1355, Stephanie Nordwall. Your third place winner, dancer number 1457, Heather Surratt. Your second place winner, dancer number 1156, Jovel. No last name.
No.
Skylar.
Schuyler? Jovel Schuyler. All right, yeah. Well, I'm glad somebody knows people up here. I'd be lost, man. And your champion, dancer number 1454, Sheena Kane. I hope that's it. Well, you're going to get me in trouble. I said, put the Oklahoma guy on the mic. He don't know nothing. He'll mess everything up there. Dude.
It's gotta be.
It's gotta be. It's the only one that's here.
We're hoping you're the only shooter.
Moving on to senior adult women's fancy. Yeah, your fourth place winner, senior adult women's fancy, dancer number 1766, Danielle Gibson. In third place, dancer number 1770, Autumn Hart. In second place, dancer number 1769, Katie Eisenach. And your champion in this year's Senior Adult Women's Fancy, dancer number 1768, Star White Eyes, your champion. All right.
You're getting there, hey?
I'm trying. Yep.
Right on.
Right.
Oh, I do. Want me to remember? All right, then. That's what I'll do. All right, here we go. Next time, first one right off the bat. One time.
Yeah, smack him.
Moving on to Junior Adult Men's Traditional. Junior Adult Men's Traditional here. And
Congrats.
so, just going to call that out for 4, 3, 2, 1. That was the tiebreaker, right? Yep. That's that one. Okay. Your fourth place winner here, Junior Adult Men's Traditional. Dancer number 1169, Skylar. That's all I have. Your third place winner, dancer number 1166, Gijig Brissett. Hey, I heard that over there. Hey. Your second place winner in Junior Men's Traditional, dancer number 1163, Darian Bimo. And your champion, dancer number 1164, Noden. That's all I got, man. That's all I got. They didn't reach your last name there. It's like Skodin, but Noden. Yeah, Noden. I probably said it wrong. Moving on to Junior Adult Men's Grass in fourth place. That's number 1482, Peyton Mingo. Your third place winner, dancer number 1485, Adam Bodie Nordwall. Your second place winner, dancer number 1490, Marshall Baker. And your champion, dancer number 1484, Chad Starr.
Oh, let's go, Heather. Holding up the line, Heather. Here we go now. Here we go now.
I don't carry my SIM card, so. I can call my voice, but I mean, it's something that I don't carry it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Just wait. Ahoo. Hey, that looks good over there.
Moving on to junior adult men's fancy. In fourth place, dancer number 1799, Dawson Grignon. In third place, dancer number 1794, Albert King Jr. Second place, dancer number 1795, Bubba. And your champion, dancer number 1793, Chaske Hill. Your champion coming running. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Go.
Oh, Dios.
Gotta love on it. Oh, huh. Right on.
Oh, yeah. Junior adult women's traditional. I believe we're ready here. Junior adult women's traditional in fourth place. Dancer number 1167, Kamora Okimash. Your third place winner, dancer number 1198, Desiree Manassi. Your second place winner, dancer number 1190, Liliana Mars. And your champion in junior women's traditional, dancer number 1193, Nicole Nordwall, your champion.
Go!
This is cool. You still cool weather, daylight, plenty of time. Oh. Been to Powwow. I'm sitting at 4 in the morning waiting for the drum call.
Oh, yeah.
It's awesome, man. It's
Right on, man.
awesome.
Albert King. He didn't come up here. Albert.
Albert King Jr. Albert King Jr., we have your money up here unless you want to donate it to the MCs. Oh. Man, I tell you what, I've had an awesome time this weekend, man. There's some awesome food, some fry bread. You know, being on the road, traveling, you don't get too many home-cooked meals, man. It's fast food here, there, or bologna sandwiches and chips and all that. When I showed up today, man, they had a pot of soup. Hamburger soup, hobo soup, hangover soup, however you want to call it. Man, it was delicious. That's just what my soul needed, man. That's how it is. Going into junior adult women's jingle. In fourth place, dancer number 1513, Kayla Drever. In third place, dancer number 1516, Shay. That's all. I don't have no last name, so I apologize. Hale, Shay Hale. In second place, dancer number 1514, Azalia Quigno. And your champion in the junior adult women's jingle, dancer number 1509, Raina Lasley, your champion. And here we are down to the last category here, I do believe. Going into junior adult women's fancy here. Junior adult women's fancy. Listen up here. In fourth place, dancer number 1798, Decora Monassi. In third place, dancer number 1819, Maya Jack. In second place, dancer number 1820, Tavian Star. And your champion in junior adult women's fancy this year, dancer number 1822, Laura Lasley, your champion. Oh, come on, running there, yeah. Congratulations. Gas money.
Don't tell my boy.
Man, it's been an awesome time, spectacular time. Been sitting here, got to serve on the head staff once again, like I said, with some awesome champion dancers and singers, man. The committee has been outstanding to us. Every day we showed up, they made sure we were well taken care of, had everything we needed. Man, sitting up in the MC stand up there, man, it was nice and cool all weekend long, man. Even when it hit 90s today, it was nice and cool for me. Yeah, because I know here in a little while, I'm going to have to go back to Oklahoma when the trail ends, and it's still going to be 112 degrees in September, October. Oh, so I'm enjoying all the cool breeze and all the celebrations we've been going to here.
Or no. There you go. We won't say it. Just calling people up with the gift now. Anybody?
We're going to call up any of the relatives still around here. We have a lot of gifts up here. We have a lot of gifts still. Maybe you walk by there, get you a book or some ceremonial ribbon there, toilet paper. Hey, if anybody wants to grab a pack of those smokes and offer me tobacco, that's all right too. Seen some Canadian smokes there. Man, we don't get those hardly. Yeah. Did somebody see the island? Hey. Well, that's where I come from over there. Anybody come on up, receive a gift here. Y'all come on over, pick something out. Coco, when you go through, get me some smokes and get you a gift there. Yeah. I'm going to need some of them smokes tonight. All right, congratulations. Oh, man, yeah. Oh, some champs, boy. Holy.
Oh, okay.
I had the honor to serve MC here with my longtime brother here, you know, man. I've heard him MC a lot of times over the years. I've seen him on YouTube, and I even seen him one time. There was some little kid trying to climb on his lap, man. I was like, oh, I'd have did the same thing, you know. Yeah, man, that was rough too, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'd have put that little kid in the headlock. Don't mess around in Oklahoma. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Yeah, all right. It's gonna give your money away. Congrats, kiddo. All right.
We're still missing that Joss.
Jocelyn Gervais, 1926. Jocelyn Gervais, dancer number 1926. Junior Girls Fancy, we're waiting on you up here. We have your money. Your baby, your Mazaska. Man, I'll tell you what, when does that Ponderosa close? What time does that close, man? I'm trying to go check that out. What time? 9 o'clock. Oh, we're good. Yeah. I thought I was late this morning, boy. I got up running around. My phone's still on Oklahoma time, so, jeez. You guys come on up, get some more gifts here. Coco, grab me some smokes there. Calling up our host drum there under. Hey, you already know, boys. Ah, damn, man, these guys made me like it all weekend long, man. Rocking and a rolling. That's the way I like to travel. Little 8-man, 7-man crew, man. That was damn good singing all weekend, man. That was awesome. A lot of singing too, man. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Good one. Yeah.
Round two, boys. What do you want? Oh, my bad.
All right, we need our head veteran, Ken Funmaker. Ken Funmaker, let's give Ken a big round of applause if you're still around. Ahoo. Right on, Ken. Next, we're calling Harvey Dreber. Let's give Harvey a big round of applause. Head singing judge, awesome job. There's Harvey. Our head female judge, ahoo. Head female judge, Rebecca Roberts. Head male dance judge, Michael Roberts. Let's give him a big round of applause. Ahoo, brother. Only question we have is who did a better job, Mike or Rebecca? I got Mike. Just kidding. I don't. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, sister. He's right there. You were telling Mike what to do is what I saw. Real one now, not the fake one.
Oh, brother.
Again, anyone, come on over and grab a gift or 2 or 3. Wayne Silas. Let's get Wayne up here. Come grab a gift. Anyone, grab 2, grab 3, grab 4. Grab Wayne. Come grab Gabe up here. Our radio director, Gabe Cleveland. Come on up. Ahoo, brother. Ahoo. Come grab 2, 3, 5 gifts. It doesn't matter. Grab a couple. Anthony. We're calling our MC Anthony Monasabasa. Messiah. Right on, right on. There's Anthony, and then I'm calling up me. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I do believe that is our celebration. What do you need?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, thank you, thank you.
And our sound system here. Our sound guys. Is that who we're calling? Or oh, the social media guy. All right, that's what we're calling. Yep, come on over, grab a gift, or 2 or 3, 4, 5, it doesn't matter. Of course, all the natives leave all the books laying there.
I'll call you. Thank you.
Okay, right on, brother, right on.
Thank you.
Anthony? All right, before we sound off here, we're asking our brother here, Anthony. Anthony, if you come on over, he's going to give us our word of prayer. The hit the road prayer, I call it. We'd like to have everybody's attention.
Oh, thank you there, brother. Asking me here, relatives here to pray. So if you bear along with me, pray along with me your own way there. I'm going to say a prayer here for traveling mercies for all of us here. Next week we go make our way to our lodge there. Be thinking about all of you all along this road here. You travel safe here, so you bear with me here. Say a short prayer. Answer me, God. Tanansuwakai nama atabi nama taku nama sutaiken. Nama richa nama rekwapa na taku nama 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 rekwapa nama sutaiken nama mabitia. Taku nama poya na sutai bicha nama mabitia. Hana no sutai bicha na mari manusukai busukai rapa narami. Hana ma arabich nam hana not nama na hipa yagwan. No hipa yagwan na me kuna sokobi na me kuna kimaka na sutai kina na mari manusukai nasuwakai te nama atabi. Hana ta nusukai na sabusukai nama apa garo suni na iya kamakati na nama pabi na nama pa na ta mari na sutai kina the Saginaw, Chippewa, not my relatives here. Nami na suwakai te na sika tabeni okotomo watu apa garo erako mesana.
Ahoo. Thank you there, Anthony. Ahoo, ahoo. And now, before we sign off here, we're going to head to our singing champions. I believe they want a traveling song, I do believe. You want the traveling, or do you just want them to sing a championship song? Singers? Both. 2 and 2. So, Meskwaki, if you would, our champions, do what you do best. Ahoo.